Here we have a pail of water in which a lead ball is dropped with unknown initial temperature, and the final temperature of the combination is given, and the initial temperature of water is also given, and we have to find out the initial temperature of the ball. So first we will find the mass of water, which is equal to density of water times volume. Density is 1000 kilogram per meter cube, and volume is 2.8 liters, which in meter cubes is 2.8 into 10 to power minus 3 meter cube. This gives us 2.8 kilogram of water. Now heat is lost by the ball and gained by water.